I'm not saying I think I know, I'm saying I know. And when you know, son. You just know it, innit?
Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop you heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Drumkit 2021. It's crazy. So many sounds in here, so many sounds. There's 808s, there's claps, there's hi-hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's hi-hats, sorry, I already said that. There's open hi-hats, there's percussion and there's snares, you know. Nicely processed as always, man. Yeah, I know how we do it on this channel, man. We always kill it. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up on my number, or you can get to me through my email. So yeah. So and if you haven't checked out the beat, the one I made using this drum kit, I recommend that you go check that out. It's crazy. So let's get on to today's business. So I'll be using Contact. I'll be using Contact to demonstrate the midis. So there's like 4 midis in here, 4 midis just to give you that push, that extra push in that beat making process. So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI, which is here. So I'll be using the default BPM by FL Studio. So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI. Yeah. All right, let's hear it. I'm sorry, let me just remove the reverb here a little bit. All right. So second MIDI. Third MIDI. All right, last MIDI. So yeah, so that's it for the midis. Not so many, but but enough to actually give you that push. Give you a little bit of inspiration. It's always nice to have the little bit of inspiration just to push you a little bit. So let's proceed to the rest of the stuff. So the 808. Claps. Hi-hats. All right, the kicks. So the open hi-hats. Percussion. snares. That's it. That's it for the kit, man. That's it for the kit. Straight up fire. So link in the description down below as always. And if you're getting any problems downloading this, just hit me up and I'll get back to you quick. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the kit. Make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Stay safe. Namaste. Goodbye.